Started her up again. No smokers yet. That works for now. Yeah. Well, I got this all warmed up. Oil feed lines for the carby, the engine oil. One of them's working, but it's not excessive amounts. No oil coming out the breather. But now there's a strange noise when it gets hot. Happened yesterday too. It's not too hot, it's just warm. Now where's the ignition? There we go, strange noise. Happens on cue. Coming from here. Somewhere. Put it in gear, it doesn't make any difference. Strange noise. Is that a common noise for these? Does anyone know? Do video of noise from inside car. Goes up to temperature. There it is. Loud noise.